The sunset is beautiful, my love. The colors are just amazing. Yes, the sunset is beautiful, but it would look way better with that Wiggyland being built right in the way. I can't stand looking at that ugly man's face.
I am so excited. My new Wiggyland is finally open and ready for business. I love seeing my face on a building, even if it is ugly. Hey, Willie, I got Wiggyland opening up. Get me a truckload of wigs over here right now. I want to have enough wigs for everybody.
Well, my baby's got a Chinstrap for her wig. You know it's swaying in the breeze cause it's way too big. My baby's got a Chinstrap for the wig on her head. She likes to put it away before she goes to bed. Work smart, not hard, and your life will be full. Get a strap on your wig or it will fall off your skull.
We're just caring about the hair you're wearing. It looks so bad, but baby, it's so daring. So go and tighten that strap, don't you listen to the crap that they say.
Well, my girl ain't bald, but she is beautiful. She don't need to wear a wig, her head is already full. It was a swaying and a swooping in the bendy air. It was sliding off her head, she got a strap for her hair. This year her wig is ugly and she's under attack, but at night she laughs it off and hangs her wig on a rack.
We're just caring about the hair you're wearing. That wig's so big, I think it should be sharing. But don't you let them put you down, go and wear that hair like a crown.
Well, my baby's got a Chinstrap for her wig. You know it's swinging in the breeze till the sweat you big. My baby's got a Chinstrap for the wig on her head. She likes to put it away before she goes to bed. Work smart, not hard, and your life will be full. Get a strap on your wig or it will fall off your skull. I smile like a clown and I know that she knows. She traded laces on her shoes for a couple of Velcro. Grab a raccoon by the tail and you're gonna get bit. If your wig is too big, then it ain't gonna fit. Put your reading glasses on if you're gonna read a book. Keep the wig on your head with a strap and a hook.
Baby, tighten up that strap for me. Baby, tighten up that strap for me. Baby, tighten up that strap for me. Baby, tighten up that strap for me.
Oh no, what the hell just happened?
Ugh. Well, I hope that question was rhetorical, you idiot. It's obvious that a truck full of wigs just tipped over.
Did he hit the tree?
I don't know. I wasn't even watching him. I was too busy trying to remember the words to this stupid song you wrote.
Well, I thought you liked my song. That's why I wanted you both to sing it with me.
I do like the music, but I think the words are ridiculous.
In other news, there has been a tragic truck accident near the Pewburg waterfront involving a truck full of wigs. As of now, there are wigs strewn all over the road and a possible injury to the driver of the wig truck.
Wiggy, you better get over there right now and fix that mess. That is your truck full of wigs. And you know what? Your driver better not be abusing pineapples again.
Oh, yeah, well, Willie does like his pineapples. He does do them. I just told him not to do it while he's driving, so I'm sure he was sober.
Go go and fix that mess right now. I'm gonna send the sheriff of doctors to come along with you and make sure that you're doing your job correctly.
Oh boy. Okay, boss lady, you got it. Hey, I heard you idiots were dancing and singing in the road while Weeping Willie was trying to make a wig delivery. I hope you weren't distracting him.
We were not distracting him. It's clearly obvious that your friend is abusing pineapples while he's driving.
Hey, you can't prove that, so shut up. Don't you idiots have a basement you can practice this ridiculous music in? This road is no place for dancing around and singing about, wig straps? Which one of you wrote this ridiculous song?
I wrote this song, and I have my two favorite ladies here to sing it with me.
So what is this, a new band or something? The three of you starting a new project? You know what, because you're all in deep trouble once the sheriff doctors get here.
Excuse me, but why am I in trouble? I didn't have anything to do with Weeping Willie crashing his truck. I just came here to sing a song with my friends.
Yeah, whatever, of course not, Little Miss Perfect. Yeah, Bumbell, we all know how great you are. You're such a saint. You never do anything wrong. Hey, Flail, since you're used to being in trouble because you're this town's resident bad girl, I'm gonna need you to teach Bumbell how to do community service and/or jail time. Willie, get a hold of yourself. Are you hurt? Are you hurt? I'm not talking about your feelings. I mean your arms and your legs. Can you still use them? Because I can hear your mouth loud and clear.
Okay, looks like you have a big mess here to clean up, Mr. Wiggy.
No, I don't. That's not my job.
Well, Willie is your driver, right?
Well, since you guys are the big shot lawmen, why don't you do it?
No. We are the sheriff doctors, not the sheriff doctor janitors.
Oh, God, this is embarrassing. Hey, everybody, go away. There's nothing to see here unless you want to help Willie clean everything up. Willie, let me know if you're feeling okay because I really need you to clean up all of these wigs.
That's not gonna happen because we have to take Willie for x-rays to be sure he's not broken. You're gonna have to clean these wigs up yourself.
Oh, no, that's not gonna happen. That's not my job. Clean up, crew. Get these wigs cleaned up and get them to Wiggy Land ASAP. I am so tired of all the lazy, stupid people in this town. Am I the only one doing any work around here?